welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you some magic tricks. Are you ready? You see this ring? I will place it on the table and move it without touching it. Here is our ring. Let me move it. This time I'm going to move this card without touching it also. Are you ready? Let's go. You must have seen my tricks right now. Now let me tell you how did these work. Do you want to know? Let's go. The tricks I just now showed you was not magic. It was science all behind it. Now let me tell you how it works. Before I tell you how that works, let me introduce you to some magnets. A horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, ring magnet, and a magnet card. In the first trick, I had two ring magnets. One was above the table and one was beneath the table. And this is how I did it. Second trick, I used a magnet card and a bar. Just like the Earth, magnets also have a North Pole and a South Pole. North and North repels, South and South repels, and North and South attract. As you can see, this magnet has a North Pole and a South Pole. North is represented by red and South is represented by blue. Same in this one. Just like I said, North and North repels. How much ever I try, North and North won't stick. Similarly, South and South also repels. If we try North and South together, it attracts. This is because of a force called magnetic force, and it is a non-contact force. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to visit the Hey Guys Vlogs channel.